Welcome to this quick tutorial on how to save your precious mobile data by controlling the auto-download of videos on WhatsApp. With the latest updates, it's easier than ever to manage your data usage and prevent those hefty bills. Let's dive right in. First things first, open up your WhatsApp app. You'll see the familiar green icon, so go ahead and tap on that. Once you're in, look for the three dots in the top right corner of your screen. These dots are your gateway to the settings, so give them a tap and select Settings from the drop-down menu. Now you're in the Settings menu. Scroll down until you find Storage and Data. This is where the magic happens, so tap on that option. You'll see a list of different settings related to media and data usage. Here's the crucial part. Look for When Using Mobile Data and tap on it. This will bring up a menu with various media types that WhatsApp can auto-download. We're focusing on videos today, so find the box next to Videos. By default, this box might be checked, which means WhatsApp is automatically downloading videos when you're on mobile data. To save your data, simply uncheck this box. Once you've done that, tap OK to confirm your choice. And there you have it. You've successfully turned off auto-download for videos when using mobile data. This simple change can significantly reduce your data usage, especially if you're part of groups that share a lot of video content. Remember, you can always manually download videos when you want to watch them. This way, you're in control of what uses your mobile data. If you're on Wi-Fi, don't worry. Your videos will still auto-download unless you change those settings too. By following these easy steps, you'll be able to enjoy WhatsApp without the fear of unexpected data charges. Happy chatting and enjoy your newfound control over your mobile data usage.